Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, oh,
I like my lip gloss. I'm wearing the Samani collection lip gloss in Vixen. I think it's so pretty. I really like my lip gloss. I feel like it just matches this hair perfectly. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh, my ear's itchy. Hang on. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Life of Ours here. Hi, if you're new, welcome, subscribe, stick around. If you're not new and you've been on my channel for a while now, welcome back. So, as you can see, I have this fire red Cardi B style bright red hair. Like, I can't lie, I wanted my hair to be bright red. I did. Like, I looked at a picture of Cardi B and I was just like, yeah, I want to go this red. Then I saw a picture of this gorgeous girl called Nanette who helped me also figure out what colours to use. I'm going to put her picture somewhere here. She also has a wig company. She makes wigs and colours wigs, so I'm just going to put her picture here somewhere. So Nanette, Cardi B inspired this hair. Yeah, this is like that proper Cardi B, like blood bars red hair. Like, it's so... I was worried about going this bright because obviously I'm dark skinned, so I was worried about going proper bright, but like I actually really, it's grown on me. Like, I really like it. It was meant to be my birthday hair, but then I pussied out, so. But I'm still gonna rock this wig throughout the summer. It's just such a perfect, like, vibrant red. It just makes me look so, I don't know, I just love this look. So yeah, to achieve this Cardi B, I'm gonna put the Cardi B red dark scale edition. To achieve this Cardi B red type of hair, I used my Supernova hair. Anyways, I kind of cheated for this hair. Like, I did like a method to get red hair, like a foolproof method. And the foolproof way to get coloured hair, or red hair in particular, is to buy hair that's already lightened. Yeah. I know a lot of you are gonna look at me like, lazy bitch, but yes, I'm lazy and I can't be asked. I don't like bleaching hair. I feel like it takes forever. So I bought number 27 hair, not 613, but number 27. It's like that hair that, you know when like you bleach your hair and it gets that orangey brassy blonde, it's that colour. All I did then was use a Door hair dye. So I used 2 bottles of magenta and 2 bottles of wild cherry on top of the number 27 hair, and I got this gorgeous, 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 bright, vibrant red, like pinky red.
oh, Ain't it mad how I saw you in my hands and you looking so foreign? Got me thinking where you from, looking beige and Moroccan, like I'm on a tropical island maybe. Couldn't let you get away, would be crazy on me. Girl, you like a tourist in my city, catch everyone's eye. Causing traffic when
it's just such a nice colour. I feel like you just stand out in the street when you wear this. It's just giving me proper like black girl magic type of vibes. Yeah, I really like this hair. So for specs of the hair, obviously I have a wig unit that I made myself with 4 bundles of 24 and a closure. Actually, tell a lie, I only use 3 bundles of 24. I don't even use all 4 bundles. I use 3 bundles of the 24. And the 24 comes up to here on me. So yeah, it's like here. And it proper, it's hair that proper moves as well. Moves, you move, it moves with you. You move, it moves with you. Does your weave do that? If it doesn't, get yourself some better hair. But yeah, no, I love this hair. It's so soft. Their number 27 hair is a lot softer than this, a lot softer than their 613. Obviously, because bleach less, but it's so, it feels almost exactly like the one. Yes, that actually feels exactly like 1B hair. Like, it's so soft, so soft, and it's just got a nice luster to it. Not too shiny, but not too dry looking either. And shedding wise, I'd say if I rated the shedding out of 10, I'd say I'd give it like a 6, 7, 6. Yeah, 6 for shedding. So it does shed a little bit. It's not like, oh, it doesn't shed at all. It does shed quite a bit, but nothing that's unbearable. So I'll give it a 6 out of 10 for shedding. Shipping time was quick as per usual. Supernova. Communication, beautiful. And yeah, like this hair was just, it's just, I love it. I love it. And I hope I inspire you guys to also try out some hair like this and get some like good, just a nice red for the summer. Let's not, because you know us dark skin girls, we're playing it safe. We're always getting like the dark burgundy, the deep burgundy. Let's go for a bright, vibrant red. Come on, let's step out. Show them we can do it too. So yeah, that's it really, yeah. That's all I have to say on the hair. If you have any questions or comments or whatever, just, you know, write to me on my socials. I try to answer everybody. Like, I get a lot. I know some of you complain I don't answer, but I answer the majority of the ones I get, which is a lot. So yeah, yeah, I'll leave all my socials. Yeah, that's it from me. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.